Hey babes, I just want to let you know that my birthday is October 8th. I'm about to be 19. I'm only saying this because I know that I do have extremely generous subscribers that I beyond appreciate that have gave me gifts and donations before. If you would like to, I already update all my information. That's going to be in the description. My new Cash App is KS Moods, KSMOODZ. And then now I have PayPal that's associated with my business account. So if you would like to do any donations or send anything to my mailroom, I would highly appreciate it. Then yeah. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I just want to let you know that your Numa is popping today, tomorrow, and as always, my name is Kanaya, owner of this channel, Kanaya Numa. Real quick before we get started, I just want to let you know, go to ksmoods.com to get your long sleeve big chilling onesie with the pizza plant leaves aliens onesie, okay? Only $20, and if you use promo code YouTube2020, you can actually save some money, okay? So this video today is actually going to show you and help you figure out how to use a sugar scrub on your lips, because a lot of people's buying it and don't know how to use them. If you go to LV_K on Instagram, she actually sells these sugar scrubs. This is a body scrub because it's bigger, but you could use it for your lips as well. This one in particular is called Super Flow. Girl. It smells so good. It smells exactly like the orange candies, the little circus orange candies that you get in the liquor store. I used to have those all the time as a kid. Here's the consistency. See, I just touched it. That's my stomach. My stomach's growling. I'm on Epitamin. I know you're like, but yeah, I'm on Epitamin. So that's what's going on right now, and I will give you guys an update about that soon. But get back to the video. So I'm just mixing mine up right now with my finger. So the benefits of a sugar scrub is, first off, it's not like the typical biohazard ones that you actually buy in store with all the other ingredients that you can't even pronounce. This one has a homemade ingredients that you can actually eat, and it tastes super good. Oh, so good. It's like orange, honey. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna mess up food person. Nice. So yeah, dropping it everywhere. The benefits of the sugar scrub on your lips is very moisturizing. It gets rid of dead skin, and like I said, it's not toxic. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my rag. Oh, I got chapstick. It's okay, I'm gonna get all that off. Okay, so you're gonna just lift your lips, right? You're gonna get any excess at any other product that don't belong there. And you're gonna wet it. Then you're gonna take some of your product. I'm gonna take about this much. Okay. Actually, that was a cucumber. Wait 1 second. And place it on the lips. Sorry, I'm being clean freak. I'm like freaking out because it's gonna fall. You're gonna start exfoliating. Oh my god, it tastes so freaking good. It's so hard not to eat it. I'm not about to cap. I don't know because I'm fat or what, but it's so hard not to eat it, and it's going in your mouth. That's another reason why you need to switch over to sugar scrubs and not store-bought, because products go in your mouth and go in your body. So you're consuming products if you want to or not. Your makeup, toothpaste, everything. That's why you need to get natural, home-based products, so it's safer for you to consume. High-key common sense, but I understand that this stuff is not common sense for a lot of people. I know a little goes a long way, but I use a lot all the time. Okay, now for me, I do overkill, and I get my rag, my wet rag. I use my rag. Now, you're gonna just scrub that for max 3 minutes, so just 2 to 3 minutes. Once you're done, you can eat this off. I'm not being funny. Like, people really do just lick it off. I don't, because that's a lot of sugar. Because it's sugar-based, of course. So I'm just gonna get my wet rag and take it off like that. You might gonna have to do it a couple times because I know a lot of the sugar didn't get to break down on your face and on your lips, as you've seen. Okay. Hang it back up. Let it dry a little bit. And look at those results. Mix it up. Now, I don't have Designated lip oil. My light fell. Now she's trying to be funny. But I use this oil for everything. It's the Skin Therapy oil with vitamin E, cocoa butter formula, Palmer's. So I'm just gonna get some oil from here and put on my lips. And gently rub it in so my lips can suck up the product. Okay. And so we can make sure everything looks nice, we're just gonna get our rag and line everything up. And voila. Oh, what the? Girl, I had sugar on my nose. And that's how you use the sugar. What the? I'm definitely not editing that out either because I'm blunt. I really do be having major bloopers on my channel, bro. But that's how you use a sugar scrub, okay? I have to get a thumbnail real quick.